Welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Osagie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 15 minutes makeup if you are in a hurry and you are on a go, like a makeup you can do before going to work or before going to school. This makeup is less than 15 minutes. It's not going to take your time. You don't have to do the contouring or the highlighting. You don't have to go into that deep. If you are going to school and you are in a hurry, if you are like me that does not like making up, but you just want your face to look bright, you don't want your face to look dull, this video is for you. So guys, let's jump into the video. First off, I'm just going to wipe my face, as in the time is already clicking, so all you have to do is just wipe your face. Like easy makeup for everyday look. If you are like me that does not like makeup, this makeup is for you, like everyday makeup, but you don't just want to look sleepy, you don't want your face to look dull, so you just have to do this makeup on the go and very fast. So you have to moisturize your face. It's optional if you want to. If you want to moisturize your face, because now the weather is, so you can moisturize your face. Moisturizing is a must so that the makeup will not get to your skin. I took too much, so I have to clean it up. Next, I'm just going to allow my face dry a little. Then I'm gonna start like a very quick makeup, no wasting time. Sometimes I don't like making up, but if I don't make up, my face is just going to look really dull, and I don't like it. I don't like it. So this is a quick makeup for you to do. 10 minutes or 15 minutes or less than 15 minutes. You are done.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks.
You don't have to shade it much. You just have to do it a little. Then get your spoolie. Where did I put mine? I have to brush it. Brush all the ash line out. Yeah. So you get your concealer. You have to define your eyebrow for it to be nice also. You don't just have to leave it.
You to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy.
Do anybody still define their eyebrow? Let me know in the comment section. Like, that's old school. You don't have to put concealer up above your eyebrow anymore. That's like old school method. Foundation now, so you just have to put a little foundation and blend, especially your under eyes.
Hearing your voice every morning, I wake to a kiss on my face. So I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
So I'm using this one. I'm going to use this for the transition color because I don't want it to be really much, so I'm just going to use this. For the eyeshadow, I'm going with this dark brown.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when
If I'm not talking, I would have been done. When I'm doing this makeup, I'm usually standing, like on the go. I don't waste time. I just bring everything out and just do it fast. It does not take time, I swear. My eyeliner for my down eyes.
are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need.
Eyeliner is over finished. I need to get a new one. A little bit of now my face is coming up. So that's it. Fast powder.
All I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company.
You're still going to contour your nose now. You still need to contour.
Don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel.
Yeah. Can you see that? Oh my god. Okay. I think it's still wide a little here because I have this wide nose and I like to just do a little bit of contouring. Yeah, I'm done. Then under my eyes, a little powder. Easy makeup, guys. Easy makeup. If you're in a hurry to school, hurry to work, this makeup is for you. It does not waste time. So I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara above my eyes. Then under my eye, yep. Then you can use gloss for your lip depending on what you want. I'm just going to hold this hand. Guys, I'm done. I'm done, guys. I need to brush my hair. I don't want to really comb out the coils because I don't really like it really full. Giving vibes like a serious vibes. I've gotten what I want here. This one is not just doing. This one is still a little bit wet. That's it for this video, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. I'm Precious Osage. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you all will notify anytime I drop a new video. And for my OG, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video, and I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
Who knows how far we go? Don't you know that all that I need